How to change the date and time in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to set it manually or let Windows keep it accurate automatically. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app on your computer. From there, click on Time and Language in the left sidebar. After that, click on Date and Time on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll see a toggle at the top labeled Set Time Automatically. When this is on, Windows syncs with an internet time server and keeps everything accurate without any input from you. From here, if you'd rather set it yourself, toggle that off and click the Change button that appears underneath it right now. Following this, adjust the date and time to what you need and click Change to confirm. After that, just below that section, you'll also find a Set Time Zone Automatically toggle. Turn this off if you want to pick your time zone manually, then use the dropdown to select the correct one for your location. Finally, if your clock looks right but is slightly off, scroll down to Additional Settings and hit Sync Now to force an immediate sync with the time server and correct any small discrepancies. If you ever travel between time zones, just come back here and update your time zone so everything stays accurate across your apps and calendar. Alright, that's how you change the date and time in Windows 11. If this helped you out, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to tap the bell. Catch you in the next one.